Hello, once again, Craig Coogan again with Lift and Transfer Specialists here in Kerman, California. We just finished installing this SureHands swimming pool lift in this backyard so that the two boys here at this home can get in and enjoy some cool water for the summer. So let me take you over and show you a few parts of this lift that you really enjoy seeing. As you can see here, I've got it hooked up right now with the SureHands Mesh Sling, which has a head support attached and the leg supports. And that's attached to the 4-point spreader bar. So you have 4 points for hooking up the sling. And that is attached here with a couple of hooks to the bottom, the base, the end of the mast. And you can attach different things to that. So SureHands is very versatile in the way that you can attach the body support system, or PVC slings or hygiene slings. Different kinds of slings can be attached. So very easy to hook on, and you're going to remove that once you store the pool lift and take it away. There's the actual pool lift itself there where the controls are located. So we have the hand control here that is attached to a nice little magnet, which makes it nice for keeping it in place while you're using it or while you're attaching the sling. And then on the opposite side, you have the control box here that has all the buttons on the back, or the controls, the plug-ins on the back for your hand control, for your actuator. And there's an emergency down lever here, so if things were to fail or stop, you always have a backup there so that you can get safely down. The blue little indicator here is for the plug-in for the charging station, for the charger to go and charge it up once a week, or however many times you use the lift. You've got your on-off switch here on the front, your red and green buttons. And then you've got a separate control panel on the top of the control box for also operating your up and down controls if you're standing behind the unit. So let me just show you here how this works. And as I grab the hand control, right now we've got someone in this chair, wheelchair, would be positioned like this here facing the pool. You lift the person up after putting the sling around them, and the lift will take them up above the wheelchair itself. There you go. Nice and high. It's got a good lifting height. So now I can put my hand control on the magnet, and I can either hold in this position, or grab the person and rotate, or better yet, just come over here to the lift, grab a hold of the really nice big handles, swing the sling with the person in it over the pool. You can rotate to the right, rotate to the left, so that they're facing the pool itself. And you can either put them down in the shallow end of the pool. And what's nice is I always like to install it near a seat so that if you are able to put the sling on and off a little bit easier, maybe that's better to do that over here by the steps of the pool. So now I'm going to lower it. Again, my button's right here in my hand, or I can go back and use the control here to lower down. Let the lift go nice and safe. Again, they're facing the wrong way. So I could come around, just grab a hold of that, have it facing the pool so they could sit on the step. Lower the lift down, all the way into the water. If you've got a jacuzzi, it's nice to maybe put this in between a jacuzzi and the pool so you can have access to both. But this is simply installed by coring a hole here in the concrete. We always check for obstructions underneath the concrete, and then this unit is able to come in and out of the pool and store away just by simply lowering the mast. So there you have it. Another great tool by Handy Move SureHands here in the US. I cover California, Nevada, and Hawaii, so I'm more than happy to come out and see what you need for a pool lift while the summer is hot and you want to get in there and enjoy some cool water to cool off. So give us a call, 925-240-8474. And we'll be happy to give you a quote and come out and see what you need. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.